Hi guys, so welcome back to the Toys channel. So in today's video, we are going to unbox two of my new Hot Wheels. So first one is the 2019 Kia Stinger GT, and the second one is a Corvette C7. Corvette C7 Z06. So now let's unbox the Kia Stinger GT first. Okay, wait, let me keep the camera over here. Okay, so now I will show you. Wait, now. Okay, so here is the Kia Stinger GT out of the package. So this is how it looks. So this is the front of it, and this is the side of it, and this is the rear of it. Yeah, so now let's unbox the Corvette. Okay, so let's unbox it now. Okay, and so here is the Corvette. So it looks very cool. This is the front of it, this is the roof, this is the side, and this is the back of it, and this is the front again. Okay, so these are the new cars that I got today. Okay guys, so then if you like today's video, so then please subscribe my channel and like this video. So then bye guys, have fun and have a great day. Let's get to 700 subscribers because we're really close to it. Okay, bye.